Xbox is doing it right.
Yeah.
Because you can, well, I think you can buy certain physical copies, and they'll also give you the digital version.
See, that's good. That's what they need to do. Like, yeah, if they want to push the digital, give me a digital copy with my physical copy.
Yeah.
I mean, I already bought the game. What's the difference?
Yeah, because I remember, like, there's a few games. I think Gears of War was one of them.
Mm-hmm.
We bought the fourth one. We had the disc. We have the digital copy for the console. But not only that, you can play it on your PC, and here soon you'll be able to play it on your phone.
Yeah.
Like, that is legit.
Mm-hmm.
So I hope they keep up with that, because I'd hate for them, like, later to come down the road, like, oh, we're going to come out with a new version, because we know you can't play that on our new console.
Yeah.
And that's something that they kind of messed up with when they started off. Is I know for a little bit there they had backwards compatibility, but then they cut that off, came out with the new generation. Like, nope, no more backwards compatibility. But now they're remaking, remastering everything again for it.
Yeah, and it's just a way for them to make more money because they know people want it.
Yeah.
And it's always going to be there. And yeah, the issue I see with all these remakes, remasters, ports, and everything is they're going to charge you full price for an old game. And it's going to get to a point where it's like too much.
It's kind of already
it's
borderline.
It's hitting there.
For certain ones, I'm just like,
It's hitting there. And that's where the issue's going to be. Like, I love remakes. I love the remasters. I love seeing the touched up graphics. I like seeing an old game completely different.
But not full price.
Yeah. Now, if it's worth the full price, like, Final Fantasy VII Remake is like the big example, because that's like the biggest one I'm seeing right now. Like, they're taking that old crappy graphics, squarey, blocky, no voice, nothing, to some full voiced, completely 3D crazy looking graphics, completely new fight style. Like, that's worth it.
That calls for a new game, new game.
Yeah, that's basically being a new game
for your collection.
But like, they took the Final Fantasy VII and they touched up the graphics and they sold the game, but they didn't sell it full price. They said, okay, yeah, here, $17-20. I think like the highest I seen it was $25 at one point.
Mm-hmm.
But now it's in like the $17-20 range. Like, that's the way to do it. Like, you're getting this old game, it's touched up, it's not full price. It's not no $60 game.
Yeah.
That's the smart way to do it. But people are like, okay, well, let's just like I said, let's port this over to the newest system and charge them $60. They'll buy it. They want it. It's an old game. They love it. They'll buy it.
I really wish you can somehow take your games, which I guess this is the great thing about digital, and easily transfer it to your new console.
Well, that's
because like with physical, like it's hard to tell if you own that or if your friend owned it. You can't like scan it and throw it on. Whereas digital it links up to your account.
Well, here's the thing. Now they are going backwards compatible, so this won't be an issue. But like, I didn't really transfer, like, when I had the PS3, I created a new account with my PS4 because I forgot my password.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
So I wasn't really sure. Like, you got so now when you get your PS5, you'll be able to get all your games you have on your PS4 digital. Because it's gonna be backwards compatible. But the PS4 wasn't. So all those games on your PS3 you can't have on your PS4.
Yeah. That was something that bummed me out, and I know it has a lot to do with the way the architecture was designed for each one, but I really wish they had like a way of transferring it over.
Yeah, then it's like, okay, well look, it's on my account. Just give it to me on the PS4 version.
But instead they decided, hey, here's a remaster.
Yeah, and that's what a lot of the issue is. So that's why I'm happy. PS5 is going to go to backwards compatible. I'm hoping. I don't know. I just hope they sort of realize that dropping just a touch up for a game for $60 isn't worth it. Like, people are going to stop being like, no, I'm not buying that. Yeah. That market's going to start going downhill if they keep going the way they're going.
Well,